the Crazy Kids Show. Today we're going to be learning about 3rd and 4th graders. Let's go!
Playing on the playground with kids from our school. Learning from the electronics art and lots more. Playing on the monkey bars with friends are so cool. Learning from each other is our favorite thing to do. We are Crazy Kids, we're the Crazy Crazy Kids. We are Crazy Kids, we're the Crazy Crazy Kids. Kick softballs, climb on ropes, go down slides, play tag. We are the Crazy Kids, we're the Crazy Crazy Kids. We are the Crazy Kids, we're the Crazy Crazy Kids. Crazy Crazy Kids.
4th and 3rd grade boys get kind of weird when they're hungry. If we're lucky, we get to see them eating their favorite snack.
Hungry.
Me too.
Grass.
Grass! Who knew? We're here to watch the boys at recess play soccer. We're watching them do strange stuff. When they take a knee, that means they're doing ballet. Didn't you say the cool dance move they just did? We're so lucky to see this today.
3rd and 4th grade girls grooming themselves.
Yuck, that's gross.
Disgusting.
It's their lucky day.
We get to see a 3rd and 4th grade reading lesson.
Right, boys and girls, what does shun? What does T-I-O-N say? Shun.
Crazy.
How do they get any work done? Ooh, we get a special treat. 3rd and 4th grader boys.
Let's go, shit! Alright, 3rd and 4th grade. 3rd and 4th grade. Let's come to the carpet for your walking lesson. No, let's try to stand up. Try to stand up. Come on. Let's try to stand up. Okay, use your legs. Use your legs. Guys, I know you can do this. Use your legs. Stand up.
The 3rd and 4th grader boys were trying to walk, but instead they were going crazy. The 3rd and 4th grade boys, those are cool dance moves. Third and 4th grade girls communicate at a distance. They look pretty funny. Thanks for watching the Crazy Kids Show. See you next time.